Index funds. A beginner's guide to build wealth through diversified ETFs and low-cost passive investments for long-term financial security with minimum time and effort. Written by Samuel Feron. Narrated by Samuel Feron. Introduction. Learn to invest in index funds if you're searching for a nice, passive approach to growing your money. With so many investment alternatives accessible today, it can be difficult for beginners to know where to begin. Achieving your financial goals depends on selecting the appropriate investment instrument. However, it can also be a challenging and perplexing procedure. At this point, index funds come in handy. These funds provide a quick and efficient approach to making stock market investments. It can be tiresome, time-consuming, and entirely perplexing to invest. And if you're buying individual equities, I advise selecting between 10 and 30 different ones. That shouldn't be a problem if you know what you're doing and have the time. However, most of us do not have that much time to study our investments, which also involves time to purchase, sell, and virtually continuously rebalance. So, investing in index funds becomes relevant in this situation. Index funds can provide rapid diversification and a passive option to invest in a wide range of industries if you prefer a more streamlined strategy. You only need one fund. You can reclaim time with a passively managed investment to concentrate on your family, job, or side business. However, the simplicity of index fund investing is its strongest feature. Index funds are open to all investors. You can hardly make a mistake. Index funds allow you to achieve the same potential returns with additional guardrails, as many people aren't comfortable choosing and managing individual equities. Index funds also eliminate the emotion associated with buying and selling stocks during market ups and downs, as we have seen for the past few months. Index funds are often promoted as one of the most popular ways to achieve FIRE, financial independence, retire early, and are supported by billionaire Warren Buffett. Index funds are a form of investment instrument, like an exchange-traded fund, ETF, or mutual fund, that aims to provide outcomes comparable to those on particular indices, thus the name, such as the S&P 500. Here's information on investing in index funds if you wish to follow suit. Introduction to Index Funds and Passive Investing. The performance of a standard market index.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?